Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about how to simplify this one. So now I will show you the technique about this one in here. We got about x minus 4 multiplied with x plus 4. How can I get this one? Because this one that's about a square minus b square equal to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. About number 16 in here, that should be about 4 square. That's why you got about x minus 4, x plus 4. Now let's go to the next one. 7x plus 7. We can do factorization of number 7 in here, and you will get about x plus 1. The next one we do similar in here. So you got about x minus 1, x plus 1, because number 1 in here, that's about 1 square. And the last one, next we need to simplify. On numerator and denominator, we got about this one and this one, we simplify. X plus 4, we simplify with this one in here. And now we just have only 7 over x minus 4 over x minus 1. And the last one, we got about 7 divide x minus 4. We can write this one like this: 4 divide with x minus 1. In this situation, we can put about number 1 in here. So because we have the division, we can swap the numerator and denominator on multiplication in here. So you got about number 1 over x minus 1. And now we get the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.